Hello everyone, my name is Fahim Ahmed and this is my final project for the CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python titled Movie Manager. This is a command line tool that lets a user search for movies and series using the OMDB API. The user can then add them to a watch list or a watched list as well as give their personal ratings and reviews for the added movies. Apart from this, the program can also generate personalized recommendation based on users' preferred genres. Okay, now let's start by searching for a movie. I'll go to my terminal, hit Python of watchlist.py. I'll press 1 to search for a movie. Press enter. Look at the search results. I'll enter the index number to see details. For the plot, I will type Y. And to add the movie to my watch list, I will press 1. So the program will create a new watchlist.csv file for me and then add the movie to it. To view the watch list, I can press 1 and there you go. I have the movie in my watch list. I can do the same to add a movie to my watch list. I can also transfer this movie to my watch list. I can clear any of the list. I can remove a movie from any of the list. I can also export any of the two lists as a txt files. Now let's go back to the search menu, to the main menu, and for the recommendations I need 10 movies in my watch list, but right now as you can see I have only one movie, so I need to add 9 more movies at least in my watch list to get the recommendation algorithm working. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, now I have added a few movies to my watch lists. Let's see. I'll press 2. I have 5 movies in my watch list and I have 5 movie in my watched list. So now I can get recommendations. So I'll now press 4. So now my program will read through the movies in both of my lists, and as per the top 8 genres specifically from all the movies in my two lists, it will provide me with recommendations of 30 movies. That is it. That was my movie manager program. Thank you very much.